In the Now Playing settings, I have Identify Songs and Show Search button enabled. When the phone is locked, if I play music that is able to identify, it will show the song below the fingerprint reader. Turning the screen off, then back on seems to force these notifications to show quicker. If I play music that is not able to identify locally, it shows a search icon. Once I tap the icon, it searches online. If it finds a match, it shows the song. If it doesn't find a match, it shows no song found. If I play music while the phone is unlocked, it will show a notification if the song can be identified locally.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still.
Clicking on the notification takes you to the history. If notifications are off, it will still save to history. Currently, if it's unable to identify a song locally while the phone is unlocked, it doesn't provide a way to search online. From history, you can add a home screen shortcut from the menu.